Back up. Keep backing up. There's a reason why we're here.
Is your permit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bravo, Charlie.
I don't know. I thought you...
I didn't take this one.
Oh.
I mean, no, that's fine.
You can just ride around and carry all these.
Yeah.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. For this video, it is important to understand a few basics that differentiate a rifle, an SBR, and an AR pistol. But before we dive into that, I want to show you the last wallet you'll ever buy. Extra reimagined the traditional wallet with a totally new style, and they've made it even harder to lose. Extra wallets are a sleek, minimalist design made with high quality leather, aluminum, or carbon fiber that holds up to 12 cards and cash with the click of a button. They have built-in RFID protection and a solar-powered tracking device that uses a two-way ring system to deliver separation alerts and track the wallet's location. And if you don't want to use their tracker, they even make wallets that hold Apple's AirTags. I just got their key holder and key tracker too, so I'll be able to find them if I leave them somewhere by mistake. I've used a few styles, but my favorites are the Parliament, which has room for 12 cards, cash, and a pocket for the tracker or tool card. But I also like the modular bifold. It has a removable, magnetic card holder, so if you don't need to carry everything, remove the insert and take what you need. Their Black Friday sale is now live, and if you visit the extra link in the description and use the code LackLuster, you can receive up to 35% off your smart wallet today. And now, back to the video. The open carry of a rifle is legal in Maryland without a permit, but the open carry of a handgun in Maryland requires the person to have their Maryland handgun permit. This is a rifle, also known as a long gun, with a barrel of 16 inches or longer. If a rifle's barrel is shorter than 16 inches, or the overall length of the weapon is 26 inches, the weapon is classified as a short-barreled rifle or SBR. You can also open carry an SBR without a permit, but you need to jump through extra hoops with the ATF and pay an extra $200 to buy one. If you remove the stock and don't add a vertical grip, the weapon can be sold as an AR pistol. However, an AR pistol can have an accessory that looks like a stock but is actually a forearm brace. On March 1st of 2022, an unidentified man went to a Lowe's home improvement store to purchase a door, during which he open carried a Bear Creek Arsenal AR pistol and a Taurus pistol. Police were called for the man's lawful activity and detained him in his vehicle.
Sir, do me a favor, guys. Clear the scene.
That's right.
Hey, do me a favor. Clear the scene for me. Back up. Keep backing up. There's a reason why we're here.
As backup arrives, the first on scene is seen reaching into the man's vehicle to disarm him.
W151 headquarters, copy, Maryland tag.
Okay.
1 Edward Charlie 5899, Black Ford Taurus.
Come back out to 323.
The first weapon seized is a Taurus. It is loaded, with a round in the chamber and an extra magazine to go with it. Officer Stallman receives the weapon but does not clear it, and during the next few moments, she continues to manipulate the loaded firearm, negligently aiming it directly at her coworkers and the detained individual.
Can you run at 29? I've got a handgun. I'll give you make and model in a second. It's going to be a Taurus handgun. Let me know when you're ready for the serial number.
Okay.
Adam Baker David 503021.
Headquarters advise when you're ready for a second. I have the long gun.
See somebody wasn't.
He's got permit.
Okay. Do you have your license?
It's going to be a Bear Creek
Is your
Arsenal
permit?
model, Bravo Charlie Alpha 15, the serial number of Bravo 01842.
Yep. Expires 24.
Take these two. Did you already run his name?
Her partner now flags her with the loaded AR pistol, identifiable by the forearm brace. They now have the man's permit to carry, and the detention should end there, as it shows he is lawfully carrying both pistols. This man has 3 stripes, but now asks another officer with 1 stripe to clear the weapon for him.
No, I was too busy getting the guns.
W151 headquarters, I know we've been giving you a lot.
Hey.
I've got a name and date of birth. Who do you have as the registered owner?
What's that? Okay.
That's right.
I got it.
Headquarters 151, the first 1032 handgun is ready to shoot that subject, negative 29.
10-4. Just hang with him.
The officer with 3 stripes now realizes that the other pistol has not been cleared and takes it upon himself to do it without checking his backstop. In this case, the officer's handling of the weapon is amateur at best, and a negligent discharge is a high risk.
Did you clear this yet?
I don't know. I thought you.
I didn't take this one.
Oh. No. Oh. No. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Got it.
He's unrestricted on this thing. We just need to call the gunslinger.
Okay.
See,
What did he have on him in the store?
So he had this strapped around him. Right around his midsection.
Okay.
And he had this in his waistband.
Headquarters 7137.
Okay.
The officers further show their incompetency by demonstrating that they don't know the laws regarding open or concealed carry for a man with a permit that allowed him to do both, and that they do not understand the difference between a short-barreled rifle and an AR pistol.
What's the rule with that?
Long gun is going to be registered that subject.
it's actually going to be an SP. It's going to be considered a handgun.
A handgun.
Yeah,
So it's legal?
I mean, yeah, because but we need to call the gunslinger.
Even with this?
One here.
What's that?
I mean,
It's still probably a 223
yeah, it says 223.
instead of a short barrel. Who wants handle armor?
I am.
Okay,
Fine.
just call the gun center, give him what you got,
Okay.
because he's carrying an unrestricted permit, so it's not like he's violating carrier's permit. But tell him to be followed.
Okay. Also, sir, just to let you know, there is a body camera on scene recording video and audio. Okay, yep.
The officers determine that he has an unrestricted permit, but calls in to make sure, during which they relay incorrect information about the weapons.
Hey, I need to run a subject that we're out with who's carrying guns inside of a store. He gave us a handgun permit, but it's a handgun permit, an unrestricted handgun permit. He had a, what is this?
Bear Creek.
A Bear Creek
It's a short barrel,
short barrel.
but it has the foregrip. It's not the
But
butt side.
it has
Or
a,
the
I'm sorry, hang on.
Headquarters, you have an already clearance to the call.
short barrel rifle.
It's a short barrel rifle.
Again, this is a pistol, not an SBR. After determining that the man was permitted to carry and that all weapons were properly registered, they allowed him to leave.
Properly registered. No problem with it.
Okay.
And is he allowed to open carry that? Okay, he's looking at the permit to let us know.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
that's when he got
He said his permit is unrestricted and there's no concealed, so he can carry it the way he was carrying it.
But how about the handgun that he was concealing?
And then
Yeah,
I
that's
also
okay.
have a handgun that he was carrying in his waistband.
That's
Under that.
But
Okay. Then we're good to go.
that would be covered under that as well. Okay, yeah, he said any firearm. Okay,
yeah.
I want to hear.
Sure.
Yes,
sir. Yeah,
That's a pistol. I didn't know if you knew about it. I just wanted to.
Yep, and we contacted the Maryland Gun Center and all. You're good to go. We're gonna give you your stuff back and send you on your way.
Well, my wife is actually on her way here. The door that I just bought from Lowe's won't fit in the car.
Ah, I gotcha.
So she's coming
Okay.
and she has issue. So I have to go back and
Sure.
get the door and strap it on and all.
Okay.
You're good to go. Obviously, that kind of stuff draws attention because not very many people exercise that right. So, obviously,
that's part of the
it's,
reason I do it. As the old saying goes, rights not exercised, the rights taken away. So I like to exercise my rights, and then at every opportunity I get, I like to inform people that may not know. That's part of the reason I wanted to talk to you, because I didn't know if you knew. So I just wanted to inform you that even if I was carrying like a full-size rifle, you know, you don't even need a permit to carry a full-size rifle. as in Maryland, a permit is only needed to carry a handgun. And a handgun is classified as a firearm. Any firearm with a barrel less than 16 inches. So.
We appreciate your cooperation. We just have to do our due diligence here too, and we'll send you on your way.
That's fine.
All right, sir.
Thanks, sir.
Cool. With that, can I get out?
Yep, yes, sir.
The irony of this video is that the man had a permit to carry, and that the permit is sold by a law enforcement agency, but this video makes it clear that some of their own are ill-equipped to handle weapons. The man in the video did a great job of calmly and confidently exercising his rights while educating those in law enforcement about his rights. In the end, it doesn't matter how unusual it is for somebody to exercise a specific right. The more people exercise them, the better. It makes for a better educated law enforcement and encourages others to do the same. It's important to understand that removing the right to bear arms would result in these state officials being some of the only ones allowed to carry them. This video should be an example that they are not trained enough to be the sole members of a society responsible for defending you and your family. In fact, this might even show that they are incapable of doing their jobs at all, but I'll let you be the ones to answer that for yourself. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you trust these individuals with your safety?
I mean, no, that's fine.
You can just ride around and carry all these.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.